Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. So if you want to change these straps, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on, and basically you can pull it towards the middle of the strap, and what it does, it releases the pin on this side of the strap, and once it releases the pin you're able to pull out the strap. Quite simple mechanism, one of the best to be honest. You just pull the lever and then pull out the strap. Simple and very effective. Let me do it for the other side, like this. And I'm gonna show you how this mechanism works. Basically you have two pins on each side of the strap, and one is retractable. When you pull on the lever, it basically retracts. Come on, can I show it to you? It's going to be a bit of a struggle, but come, let me pull you like this. It retracts basically inside of the strap, and once it does, it releases the mechanism from this hole on your watch, which allows you to pull the strap out. Okay, and here we have our watch and our straps next to each other. And let's say you have new straps on or something, or maybe replacement or something, and you want to put them on. You grab your strap, grab your watch, you take the side opposite of the lever, so this side, and you insert it into a hole on your watch. You have two holes, you need to insert it in a hole, like this. Be aware to not mess it up. Basically this side of the strap with the lever needs to be facing the back of your watch like this. So be aware of that. Don't forget it, because you will need to redo it if you forget. Okay, so let's insert this end into a hole on the watch, then pull the lever on this side to retract the pin, and then you need to align it with the other hole and release it. And once it clicks in, it will hold. Same on the other side. So insert the strap into a hole, pull on the lever to retract the pin. Come on, like this. They could have made it more easy to pull, but okay. And then let it go, and it should basically lock in. And now we have our watch, our straps, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.